Time is 11:42, Thursday, April 2nd. Hey, do you want to stay home today? It's not a chilly day like yesterday. Yesterday was cold and like today is cold. Planning to film it yesterday, but too cold. They say by this afternoon, by 40 to 50% of showers. Pause for a sec. Just put my hat on. With the hat. My ears getting cold. Maybe not stay out too long, but this is something you guys can watch. And I not trust those codes either. I'm happy by myself today. That's when I can fly out with Zoom. Bus driver said yesterday going to YMCA. He heard they're gonna be really hot this year. If I heard one more time, might be really true. You know how the one is a miracle? I was going somewhere. Well, it's so cold last night, I had to get out of bed and shut off the fan. Making hell quite busy on the highway middle of the night. Gonna put my gloves on. Give me a sec. Just put my gloves on. Getting too cold. My hand driving and one holding a thing. I guess a lot of people are going to work or office meeting or lunch meeting. The first time I see a Red Bull truck, I always see Pepsi always killing them. Hey, look, they got a new sign. They got a new sign. But too lazy to page. I find paved roads going in and out. I find more better than a new sign. That's my opinion. Let's go this way for a change. I keep on going straight. I've been straight for a little bit. Supposed to be double digits today. Feel like mine feel like one or something. Whoa, what a big bump there. Sorry guys. Feel like on a roller coaster. Hey, look like the yellow look like lights on. But it isn't. Easter bunnies. Whoa. What a bump. If you guys do anything on Easter Friday with your family or friends, I hope you guys have fun. Me and Maggie do on Easter Friday. Go to YMCA. Walk out. Boat seemed out here long enough. Really cold like yesterday. It's raining. Like they make a somewhat small one. Feel kind of drop drizzling. Have the district or help. Don't know what this side street. Always forgetting the name. Go up over. Oh, Leeward. How forgot Leeward. Mercedes. I find a lot of people have like cars have Mercedes and Lamborghinis and those cars and BMWs. They think I'm rich. You're nothing, me first type of thing. You're not. Everyone is equal. Don't care how poor you are to how much you rich you are. Everyone is equal. A lot of cars almost hit me a couple of times. Mostly expensive vehicles. Not lately, but got my blessings. Smell like lately somebody making it. Whoa. Sorry guys. Smell like somebody making bread. My friend calling me. After this, I'm gonna call. Videos come first. I'm gonna end it at Doorbell in Leeward.